Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Accessory Lab. Today we're checking out the top 10 best car glass cleaners for a streak-free, crystal-clear windshield. Now here's why it matters. Nothing ruins a drive faster than hazy glass or stubborn bug residue, especially at night. I've researched and tested these formulas to find options that cut through grime, repel water, and leave zero smears. And trust me, you'll want to see this. Some of these even protect against hard water spots and fogging. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Windex. Windex is the perfect solution for anyone who demands streak-free, crystal-clear windows and surfaces throughout their home. Featuring a unique ammonia-D formula, it cuts through tough grime, grease, and dirt with effortless ease, leaving a brilliant shine every time. Made from a specially balanced cleaning solution, it works effectively on glass, mirrors, chrome, and even stainless steel without leaving behind any sticky residue or haze. Its powerful cleaning action means you can tackle everything from kitchen splatters to bathroom smudges in one simple application, saving you time and effort. Whether you are cleaning a single mirror or an entire set of windows, Windex delivers professional-grade results that enhance the brightness of any room. Griot's Garage. Griot's Garage is the perfect choice for automotive enthusiasts who demand show-quality results from their detailing products. Featuring an unwavering commitment to superior formulations, this brand delivers professional-grade car care that transforms any vehicle into a masterpiece. Made from high-quality, pH-balanced ingredients, Griot's Garage products are gentle on paint while providing exceptional cleaning power and lasting protection against the elements. Equipped with innovative applicators and tools designed for precision, every product helps you achieve a flawless, swirl-free finish with minimal effort. Whether you are tackling a full detail or a quick maintenance wash, the complete system works seamlessly together to save time and reduce frustration. Its thoughtful packaging and clear instructions make professional results accessible for hobbyists and experts alike. Meguiar's 16 ounces. Meguiar's 16-ounce product is perfect for car enthusiasts and detailing professionals who demand showroom-quality results with minimal effort. Featuring a specialized formula that safely cleans, shines, and protects a variety of automotive surfaces, this versatile solution delivers a superior, streak-free finish every time. Made from high-grade ingredients, it gently removes dirt, grime, and light oxidation without damaging clear coats or paint, ensuring your vehicle's finish remains vibrant and protected. Its convenient 16-ounce bottle offers an ideal size for both quick touch-ups and full detailing sessions, providing excellent value without taking up excessive storage space. Whether you are maintaining a daily driver or preparing a classic car for a show, Meguiar's 16-ounce combines professional-grade performance with user-friendly application. Windex. Windex is the perfect cleaning solution for anyone who demands streak-free shine on their glass surfaces throughout the home. Featuring a powerful ammonia-based formula, this iconic glue cleaner cuts through tough grease, grime, and fingerprints with effortless ease, restoring clarity to windows and mirrors. Made from a specialized blend of surfactants and solvents, it dries quickly without leaving behind hazy residue or unsightly streaks. Its versatile performance extends beyond glass to countertops, stainless steel, and chrome fixtures, making it a multitasking essential for any household. Whether you are tackling smudged patio doors, foggy bathroom mirrors, or sticky kitchen messes, Windex delivers a brilliant, crystal-clear finish every time. Meguiar's G8216EU. The Meguiar's G8216EU is perfect for car enthusiasts who demand a flawless, professional-grade shine for their vehicle's paintwork. Featuring a unique blend of premium polishing oils and advanced microabrasives, this product effectively removes fine scratches, swirl marks, and light oxidation without damaging the clear coat. Made from a specially formulated liquid formula, it delivers a deep, wet-look gloss that enhances the color and depth of any paint finish. Its gentle yet powerful action ensures a smooth application with minimal effort, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned detailers. Whether used by hand or with a dual-action polisher, this compound offers superior results that restore your car's showroom appearance. Chemical Guys. Chemical Guys is the perfect choice for car enthusiasts and detailers who demand professional-grade results and unmatched shine in every application. Featuring advanced formulations like their signature Hydro Slick ceramic coating and Honeydew Snow foam, these products deliver deep cleaning, superior protection, and a brilliant gloss that lasts. Made from high-quality, pH-balanced ingredients, Chemical Guys ensures safe use on all surfaces, from paint to glass, without causing damage or fading. Whether you are maintaining a daily driver or preparing a show car for competition, its versatile lineup offers everything from wash mitts to waxes for a complete detailing experience. Lightweight bottles and ergonomic designs make application effortless, while the long-lasting results save time and effort. Armor All. Armor All is perfect for car owners who want to restore and protect their vehicle's interior and exterior with minimal effort. Featuring a specialized formula that cleans, shines, and guards against damaging UV rays, this versatile product revitalizes dashboards, trim, and tires with a sleek, like-new finish. Made from advanced polymers, it creates a durable barrier that repels dust and dirt while preventing cracking and fading over time. Its easy spray-on application ensures even coverage without sticky residue, making detailing quick and efficient for any busy driver. Whether you are maintaining a daily commuter or a weekend classic, Armor All delivers superior protection that preserves your car's value and appearance. Essential for anyone who takes pride in their ride, it is the trusted choice for long-lasting shine and defense. Invisible Glass 92164-2PK. The Invisible Glass 92164-2PK is perfect for drivers and detailers who demand a flawless, streak-free shine with every wipe. Featuring a unique, low-ammonia formula, this premium glass cleaner cuts through tough road grime, bug residue, and stubborn fingerprints without leaving any hazy film behind. Made from a proprietary blend of cleaning agents, it evaporates quickly to prevent drips and smears, delivering a crystal-clear finish that enhances visibility and safety. Its non-abrasive composition is safe for all automotive glass, including tinted windows, ensuring a gentle yet powerful clean. Equipped with 2 generous 19-ounce bottles, this value pack offers long-lasting performance for multiple vehicles or regular maintenance. Invisible Glass 91164-2PK. The Invisible Glass 91164-2PK is perfect for drivers and detailers who demand a streak-free, crystal-clear finish on every glass surface. Featuring a unique, ammonia-free formula that cleans without leaving harmful residues, this 2-pack delivers superior clarity for automotive windshields, mirrors, and home windows alike. Made from a powerful blend of cleaning agents, it quickly dissolves tough road grime, bug splatters, and fingerprints with minimal effort. Its fast-drying properties ensure you spend less time wiping and more time enjoying an unobstructed view, enhancing both safety and aesthetics. Whether you are preparing your car for a show or simply maintaining a spotless home, this 19-ounce aerosol can offer exceptional value and performance. XINDELL. The XINDELL is perfect for professionals and home users who demand precision, reliability, and efficiency in their daily tasks. Featuring a high-speed motor and a durable, ergonomic design, this tool delivers consistent performance even during extended use. Made from premium-grade materials, it ensures long-lasting durability while maintaining a lightweight and compact profile for effortless portability and storage. Equipped with an intuitive control system, it offers smooth operation and adjustable settings to handle a variety of applications with ease. Its sleek, modern appearance complements any workspace, while the robust construction minimizes wear and tear over time. Whether you are tackling detailed projects or routine maintenance, the XINDELL combines power, versatility, and user-friendly features into one essential device.